Hey there folks, my name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to remove and install the seat on your Think V1 chair. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is remove the seat from the frame. So I'm going to want to pull the seat to its forward position, like so. I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver and just reach around back here and stick it right in between the J channel and pop it loose from the frame. Like so. Once you have it popped off, should be able to lift it off the seat from the back to the front. Remove the two metal clips on the front of the frame. And then just another J channel on the front. Give it a little tug and your seat is removed. So once you have the seat pad removed, if you need to remove the frame, I can show you how to do that as well. All you're going to need is a T15 Torx bit, and I have one right here in my back pocket. And we're just going to locate the green tabs on either side of the seat frame and remove those. And hit the other side. And now we can remove our seat. We'll grab the front lever and pull it right off. There you have it, guys. Okay, so on the install, we will just reverse the process. We'll grab the front lever and press it down as we line up the glides with the seat frame. Carefully slide it onto the chair until you get all the way to the back. Release the lever. We'll grab our green tabs, reinsert them onto either side of the chair. Okay, so now we're going to reinstall the seat. I have a fresh pad here. We're going to start with the front of the pad and move to the back. So again, I'll move the seat all the way to the forward position and I'll slide over to the side. And what we're going to do here is line up the J channel right here on the seat pad with the J channel underneath on the seat frame, and we'll just start off on one side. Get it inserted. I like to rub one hand down the back as I do one hand down the front. Give it even pressure. There you go. So once we have it installed in the J channel, we'll grab our metal clips, one on each side. Start from the bottom, pop it up. There we go. All right, now we can install the back. We'll flip the pad over. And we're just going to use our hands and feel the J channel in the back. Snap it in. And I can show you a close-up of that as well. And that's it, folks. We have the seat properly installed and your new Think seat is ready to go. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all there is to it. I showed you how to remove and install the seat on your Think V1 chair. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. Good afternoon, boys and girls. My name is Mike here with Crandall.
I can't do boys and girls.
I need a drink anyway.
We're at a kids show.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want. I like it. I do like it. It's probably just a cheap hoist. I can't work like this.